we're here. We're from TV3. We want to wish everybody Happy New Year. 恭喜发财. We want to wish Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财 from TV9. 生日快乐，生日快乐. Come here, team number 1, come here. We are here in Genting. His first time in Genting. Look at his face. He's from China, Beijing. Cannot speak Bahasa. Genting Highland di mana kita dapat satu gerai yang menjual burn CD di mana para peserta boleh menari. Bagaimana perasaan anda setelah masuk dalam pameran itu? Mari kita dapatkan pandangan daripada Cameron Highland tidak lengkap tidak melawat ke Hotel Highland. Masa berada di hotel ini dan kiranya dulu kita bertanya kepada adik ini, hello, where you come from? We are from TV3. You want to say something? Berbagai bangsa ada di sini. Kalau kita tengok ni anak muda kita ada di sini. Ni untuk majlis tingkat 3 boleh cakap. Action. Beginilah suasana malam di Genting Highland. Bersama saya ialah Azham.
Sebenarnya sejuk, but I don't enjoy myself.
Dan semoga kita berjumpa di KL nanti.
Dan jumpa di KL and goodbye Genting Island.
Bye-bye Genting
I'm not going to come here again anymore.